Welcome, Chicago Park District.
Hi, this is Miss Eileen from the Chicago Park District, and I know a lot of you are stuck at home right now, and so we decided to do a craft here to show you something fun to do. If anybody knows me, they know how much I love Star Wars here at the park, and if you've been out in the world, you know that Baby Yoda is one of the cutest new things in the world now. So we're gonna make a little Baby Yoda hanger. You can make it a puppet. You can make it kind of whatever you want. So what you need is something that I think everyone has these days, which is a toilet paper roll, a paper towel roll, something like this in your home that you can reuse for this craft. We've got a couple of things that you need to prepare and cut out. If you don't have colored paper, you can always color the paper yourself, add on to the craft, but you're gonna need little eyeballs, a little nose, you're gonna need Yoda's famous ears, and then the insides of his ears are gonna go right on here. Obviously a nice big face. We got hands, we got feet, we got his little Jedi robe, his cane, he can't walk so good all the time. And then this wraps around to become the outer layer of his Jedi robes. So you're gonna take all of that, you're gonna use a glue stick, you're gonna use tape, you're gonna use whatever adhesive you have stocked up from Costco. You're gonna put it all on this lovely little toilet paper roll. And then again, yeah, you can staple it in the back to make sure it sticks on nice and easy. You can get a hole punch, do some twine through it. Again, you've got a nice Christmas ornament. You can put it on your door to greet the people walking by. Or again, if you have small hands, this can become a little Yoda puppet, where if you want to do a whole story, a space opera about Master Yoda meeting Luke Skywalker on Dagobah, and here's how Yoda sounds in case you don't know. He goes, ooh, roughly like that, roughly like that. And so yeah, may the Force be with you.